Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another meme, and this time it's gonna be Pepe the Frog. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna draw the eyes, and it's gonna be, just draw two curves like this. Okay, so it's one curve, this is gonna be a little dip in the middle. And from the middle, it's going to be the start of one eye. So we're going to come down a little bit and just kind of curve it. Okay, and then on the other side, we're going to curve it a little bit and just kind of wave it back over. So it's a little bit wobbly. And now we're going to close it off. Okay, and then inside, we're going to draw the eyeball. So it's going to be one big round shape. And then on this side as well. And then we're gonna have to leave some highlights. So I'm gonna draw three big circles like this. And I'm using a Sharpie, so I have to make these a little bit bigger. And then from there, I'm just gonna color everything around it. That'll give me a nice little eyeball with three highlights. Okay, and then from there, let's continue on. So right here, we're gonna go 1, 2, just gonna draw two folds on top of each. So this one's the same thing, so we're gonna go 1, and we're gonna curve it just to connect it, and then 2, and then now for the bottom, we're gonna draw 1, and then on this side, we're gonna draw 1, just a smaller one, and then we're gonna come around, so this is the eyeball, copying the eyeballs. Okay, and then I know it's pretty weird with all these lines, but let's continue on. So right here, we're gonna go up 1. So this is going around as if it's big eyeballs, right? So 2, and then now we're gonna go up even more. So this one, we're gonna come up all the way around. So this is gonna be the top of his head. One more curve. All right, so now we're gonna come down for his mouth. So we're gonna curve a little bit, and then we're gonna come down. This is gonna be his lip. So just go past all the way past his eye. Just curve it down. Curve, and then now we're just gonna follow the same one. This is gonna be his lip. Okay, that's 1, and then for the bottom one, we're gonna curve, and then again, just follow the same curve. And then we just kind of connect it back to this one. So that's gonna be his full lips. And then we're gonna draw a little bit of crease here. And then for his chin, just kind of come in like that. And then for the back of his head, so we're gonna come right here. Just gonna draw one curve. Just kind of hook it back in, and that's gonna be his arm. But let's draw his little body first. So you guys can stop here. If you guys want to close off the head, you can just close that off. So you can just have the head if you don't want to draw the body. So for the body, we're just going to come down, curve. Okay, and then we're going to come across, draw another curve. So very droopy frog. And then we're going to draw this big tummy. Okay, and we can kind of just stop there first. Now we're going to draw his arm. So on this side right here, we're gonna come down. Right here, this is gonna be his armpit. So we're gonna come down. And then now we're gonna go in. Okay, into the body. Now we're gonna come down. Just kind of curve it in. That's actually gonna be one finger, and then we're gonna draw one more here on the back. Okay, so now we can continue this on the tummy area, just kind of connect it back to the arm. Hand. And then for the back, we're just gonna go 1 and 2. So very simple. Okay, and then we're gonna draw 2 little dots there, and then for his belly button as well. So now let's draw the other arm, and this one's a little bit easier because we can't see most of it. So we're just gonna give it a little bit angle. Okay, give it some thickness, and again, I draw one finger and then one more. Okay, so now let's move on down, and it's got It's gonna have a little short here. So just curve it in and just hook it back into the hand. Okay, so now we can draw his short little legs. So right here, we're gonna just kind of one bump, and right in the middle here, another one, and then we're gonna go on this side. Same thing, right where his hand is, just kind of curve it in. Okay, so then right here, we're gonna keep going down for his foot. So this is gonna be his heel. Just come in and just draw one toe. So this is very cartoony. 2 and 3. And now for the other side, that's gonna be the heel right there, and it's gonna be facing us a little bit, so it's a little bit different. So we're gonna come down, we're gonna go 1, 2. For this one, just come down and just go 3. And that's it for this Pepe the Frog. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.